Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are 5 tips to do well in IELTS speaking. 1. Be confident. The examiner is there to help and guide you, so don't be afraid to speak up and express yourself. Use natural English. Don't try to memorize answers or use complicated vocabulary that you are not comfortable with. Just speak in a natural way that you would speak to a friend or a family member. Be clear and concise. Don't ramble on or go off on tangents. Get to the point and make sure your answers are easy to understand. 4. Use a variety of grammatical structures. Don't just use simple sentences. Try to use more complex sentences to show the examiner that you have a good command of English grammar. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will be speaking in English. So, find a friend or family member who can help you practice, or take an IELTS speaking preparation course as well, if necessary. Try to practice in front of mirrors. I hope these tips will help you do well in your IELTS speaking test. All the best.